Want to know how to create an AI agent that extracts email address from text? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you and give you an exact prompt that can help you easily extract email address from the given text. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now once you're here, what we need to do is we need to just simply extract our email address. So for that, what we need to do is we need to just simply open up the deployment tab, and here you can just simply type in anything for the name. So I'm just going to type in email extractor, and on the board just simply type in a simple text that you want to extract emails from. So I'm going to go with this sample text right here, and then just simply select send. And once that is done, it would start generating your agent, and it should be easily done just like that. So what you can do is you can just simply do the same thing at the same task by just simply chatting with the bot as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.